Every box you ship out needs to have a packing slip. But wait, before you even think about putting one in a box, here are a few things you need to work on. First, make sure you customize the template for your logo and information. This can be a bit of a process. You'll need to edit and print and check it for errors, and then edit, print, and check again and again until it looks professional. I would recommend that at a minimum, you should have an email address and a phone number on there. Don't make it hard to reach you. Your customer needs to talk to you about their order, shouldn't face any barriers to doing so. Next, each packing slip should list who ordered the item and who it shipped to. This can be handy both for gifts as well as for identifying damaged packages. The packing slip should list the items in the box, and definitely note if some items are shipping separately. This can save a lot in customer service costs, as customers tend to email or call if they think they're missing items. Yeah, you can leave off pricing though, just in case it's a gift. Consider having a note on there for who packed the box. This can help encourage your team to pack carefully and gives customers a personalized touch. I also recommend having your return policy listed directly on the packing slip. Now, returns are frustrating, I get it, but as small business owners, this is kind of what we signed up for. And having your return policy on the packing slip won't lead to more returns, I promise. But it will preserve customer satisfaction if they do need to make a return. Because really, if you did a good job on the front end, you shouldn't see a ton of returns anyway. For more tips, visit SavvyBusinessMethod.com, download the Savvy Business Method podcast, or check me out on Facebook and YouTube.